The second part is about the structural analysis of the battery cells. First, you can preview the appearance. Wheels of these two battery cells, including the top and bottom details. We can see residual material from welding points and structural adhesives. The BMW Gen 6 cell. Weight 414.8 grams. Mass energy density 275.8 watt-hours per kilogram. And volume energy density 724.1 watt-hour per liter.
I'm already placed the can, and we can show the bottom. We can show the bottom cup. Here. So I will open it. Let me show the inside. What the structure inside. This is okay. I should be carefully. Oh, it's almost the same with the before. It had the anode current collector desk. It's different with the Tesla's Gen 2. It's almost the same with Gen 2, Gen 1, okay? It's almost the same with this one, right? But I heard LG's 4680 is the same with the EV. They have the ceiling, similar the ceiling, and same have the positive collector desk. Okay, this is the bottom cover. Oh, it's inside, it's outside. Here is a classic guard disc. It's very you can saw the cut is inside, it's big than outside. Right? It's big in the outside. This is outside. This is inside. Inside is very small, the point. This means this liquid injection port is very, very small. Right? Here is the explosion pro line. It's inside to outside, right? Inside to the outside. So let's us doing some of the PPT explanation. Then I will tear down the second ceiling, and we can very clearly to check the positive current collection desk. Okay?
Now take a look inside the bottom cap. There's a wide plastic gasket that's used for insulation and secondary sealing inside. We can see a current collector plate. This part connects the steel case, the negative terminal, and the negative side of the jelly roll. This design uses a full tap and collector welding. The current path is very short and the cross-sectional area is huge. That's why 4680 and 4695 cells have extra low resistance. This allows super fast charging and high power output. Let's talk about safety design. The BMW Gen 6 4695 large cylinder uses a burst disc design, not a vent ball design.